town. I can see you ain't doing nothing. You're just getting off on it apparently. Please.
Greenville County 911, what's the location of your emergency?
Please, dude, I'm begging you, man. Get my fucking mouth for your goddamn ego, motherfucker. To me, submit. I put a white flag out there. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, dude. Your fucking ego's all right now. It ain't. It's egotistical now. Now it's revenge. I mean, really, I'm sorry. What do you want me to do? I'm not going to sit here and just die for your ego. And act like it's okay. It ain't okay. And I'm not dying. I ain't doing it's okay with it. Ain't going to be okay with it. None of you, I don't want no problems. If I took it, it would be okay, you know what I mean? I never thought that's what it was worth, you know what I mean? I never thought that, you know what I mean? I never thought that. Let's work that.
Sir, hello? Sir, hello?
Body number. God, hey. It's coming from inside the house.
10-6 on it.
Come on. I got a couple more. Someone can come up from the penalty. Just hold what you got. We don't.
Units.
1041 Alpha, 1041 Alpha, 1031 Bravo. Suspects down. Suspects down. 1041 Alpha. No, I can't. No, hold it. We need to hold this guy.
Unit 71 Alpha, Bravo 1851 Arch Street.
Greenville Bravo 37, I need you to get online with that 1024 and see what we got going on here. We have a white male down. He had a rifle. He was firing into the house, yelling at somebody. We have no idea if a victim's inside. Hey, we need to push up. We need to see if we got a victim here. Let's go.
I think there's a...
Sheriff's Office.
Sounded like a female.
Henry County Sheriff's Office. Make yourself known.
Units.
1041 Alpha, 1041 Alpha, 1031 Bravo. Suspects down.